Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight, prices are a little bit lower. We've got the dollar higher, and most commodity prices are lower. So it looks like you're seeing a little bit of risk being taken off commodity markets. And the beans, it is raining in parts of Argentina. Should rain for the next day or so. Then next week looks drier. In Brazil, it's drying out a little bit in northern Brazil, but central Brazil could see some heavy rains over the weekend. All in all, conditions down in Argentina and Brazil look pretty favorable and offering some resistance to soybean prices. We also note that in corn and wheat, it's kind of hard to bounce the market without demand underneath it and pushing it higher, even though we're not seeing a lot of farmers selling, especially in corn, whether it's in U.S., China, or South America. Yesterday, the funds were seller of beans and oil, bought a little corn and wheat. We noticed that open interest went up in beans and corn, so now we think that the funds are actually short beans and soybean oil and have been willing down their long meal position and are short a record combined corn and wheat. So no real signs of them giving up on their short positions as we go into the end of the month and end of the year. We also note that export sales today, wheat somewhere between 300 and 600,000 tons, corn around 1 million tons, and beans a little over 1 million tons. We'll watch it to pace. It's still behind that to reach the USDA's goal. Malaysian palm oil prices sharply lower, making new lows, and that's weighing on the soybean oil market despite talk about higher domestic usage of soybean oil bringing U.S. domestic stocks down. So a lot of conversation about tax reform, the impacts it's going to be both on the corporate level and also on the individual level. We still note that the ranking second highest Senate Republican is trying to lobby Midwest legislators to try to tweak the biofuel policies, and we'll see if that has any impact on the mandates. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.